Hey guys, my name is Sankit and in this video we are gonna talk about some massive leaks of Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. So let's get started. So the brand new Google Pixel 6 series is going to launch in this month and we have got tons of information about this new series. So the design of Pixel 6 series is going to be one of its most interesting point. The official images of the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro that Google have showed off have a new notable design. The two phones will have a two-tone design with a black camera bump. The standard Pixel 6 is said to have a matte aluminum finish, while the other Pixel 6 Pro will have a light polished aluminum frame with squared off corners. So now talking about the front side, it will have a centered whole point selfie camera. The Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro will also feature in-display fingerprint scanners instead of the rear mounted which we have seen back in the models of Pixel 5. So the another interesting point of the upcoming Pixel phones is going to be the processor. Google is confirmed to be using its own silicon chip in their two phones. This custom chip seems to be codenamed Whitechapel. It's reportedly being made in partnership with Samsung and will use the high-end Mali G78 GPU. It's the same GPU that powers Samsung's Exynos variant of the Galaxy S21 phone. So have a look at the CPU configuration of the Tensor chip. So the first CPU is 2x ARM Cortex X1 which is clocked at 2.8 GHz, which has 30% more performance when compared to the previous generation Cortex A. So the second CPU is 2x ARM Cortex A76 which is clocked at 2.2 GHz, which has longer battery, intelligent computing and increasing productivity. So the third CPU is 4x ARM Cortex A55 which is clocked at 1.80 GHz, which has 15% more performance density, 10% better energy efficiency and 15% ml performance uplift. So Tensor is rumored to take Google's camera powers a level above the competition. It's not just about the cameras though. Google also claims improvements in speech recognition, translation and dictation. So the Google Pixel 6 is rumored to feature a 6.4-inch 90Hz flat display with an in-display fingerprint sensor. Additionally, the phone is said to support wireless charging and back-bottom firing stereo speakers and a USB Type-C port. So now talking about the Pixel 6 Pro, it will reportedly pack a 6.67-inch 120Hz curved AMOLED screen with an in-display fingerprint sensor. In the software front, Android 12 is a pretty much certainty for both Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. The new Android version that's currently in beta will come with the Material You design language and the wallpaper-based UX theming. It's also expected that Google will provide software support to the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro for up to 5 years. So now talking about the cameras, as per the latest leak by John Prosser of Front Page Tech, the Pixel 6 is rumored to come with a dual rear camera setup, a 50 megapixel primary Samsung GN1 camera and a 12 megapixel Sony IMX386 ultrawide lens. The Pixel 6 Pro on the other hand will reportedly have a triple rear camera setup that would include an additional 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 telephoto lens along with the two cameras from the Pixel 6. The Pixel 6 will reportedly have a 8 megapixel camera while the other Pixel 6 Pro will have a 12 megapixel shooter. So the Google Pixel 6 series will be available in at least 8 countries based on the fact that landing pages for them have already gone live. So the first country is Australia, second Canada, third France, fourth Germany, fifth Japan, sixth Taiwan, seventh UK and eighth US. So that's all for now for the Pixel 6 series. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and do tell me in the comments how much you are excited about the Pixel 6 series. Thank you.